Are you ready to revolutionize your productivity and creativity? Meet Engelbart's law, the principle that states that the rate of progress of a technology is roughly proportional to the rate at which it allows individuals to improve their own performance. Engelbart's law is a principle proposed by computer pioneer Douglas Engelbart, which states that the rate of progress of a technology is roughly proportional to the rate at which it allows individuals to improve their own performance. This law affects us in our everyday lives by showing the importance of technology that helps us to improve our own performance. For example, a computer program that helps us to organize and manage our tasks more efficiently will not only improve our own performance, but will also drive the progress of the technology. To make the most out of Engelbart's law, it's important to seek out technology that can improve your own performance. Here are some tips to help you make the most out of Engelbart's law. Keep an eye out for new technologies that can help you improve your own performance. Be willing to try new technologies and tools, even if they may seem unfamiliar or difficult to use. Look for technology that can automate or simplify repetitive tasks, allowing you to focus on more important tasks. Use technology that allows for collaboration and communication with others, as this can help you improve your own performance. Look for technology that can help you learn and acquire new skills, as this can help you improve your own performance. In conclusion, Engelbart's law highlights the importance of technology that helps us to improve our own performance. By seeking out technology that can automate or simplify repetitive tasks, allows for collaboration and communication, and helps us learn and acquire new skills, we can make the most out of Engelbart's law and drive the progress of technology.